Hey there. If I told you there's a career where you get to predict the future, not with a crystal ball, but with maths, logic, and data, would you believe me? Well, that's exactly what an actuarial scientist does. And trust me, it's way more exciting than it sounds on paper. An actuarial scientist, or simply an actuary, is like a risk detective. They use mathematics, statistics, and financial theory to study uncertain future events, especially those related to insurance, pensions, investments, and even climate change impact. Imagine this. An insurance company wants to know, if we insure 1,000 drivers this year, how many accidents will happen and what will be the cost? Or a pension fund asks, if people are living longer, how much should we set aside today to ensure they have enough money 30 years from now? An actuary does all that number crunching to give clear, actionable answers. Some of their core responsibilities include analyzing data to estimate the probability of future events, designing insurance policies, pension plans, and investment strategies, calculating premium rates and payouts, advising companies on how to minimize financial risk, preparing reports that help CEOs, CFOs, and policymakers make informed decisions. And while it's a lot of technical work, it's also about storytelling, taking complex data and explaining it so decision makers actually get it. In India, actuaries are in huge demand, especially in insurance companies, reinsurance firms, pension funds, investment consultancies, and even big tech companies working with data risk models. Think about it. Every time a bank offers a loan, an insurer designs a new policy, or a government launches a social security scheme, someone has to figure out the risks, costs, and sustainability. That someone is often an actuary. Now, if you're in high school, here's the plan. Choose mathematics in your 10 plus 2. It's non-negotiable. Commerce with maths or science with maths, either works. For college, you can go for Bachelor Science in Actuarial Science, Bachelor of Commerce, Honors, in Actuarial Science, or even related degrees like Bachelor of Science in Mathematics, Statistics, or Economics. And then, parallelly or after graduation, you can start actuarial exams conducted by the Institute of Actuaries of India, IAEI, or international bodies like the IFOA, UK. To become a certified actuary in India, you'll clear a series of exams from the IAI. These are tough, no sugarcoating here, but totally doable with consistency. The first step is to clear the Actuarial Common Entrance Test, ACET, which tests your maths, statistics, reasoning, and basic finance skills. Preparation tips. Build a strong foundation in probability, statistics, and financial maths. Practice past ACET papers and mock tests. Dedicate regular study hours. Actuary exams reward discipline, not last-minute cramming. As you pass more papers, your designation and salary climbs. Freshers with a few papers cleared can earn 4 to 6 lakh rupees per annum, and fully qualified actuaries in India can make anywhere from 20 to 50 lakh rupees per annum, depending on industry and experience. Globally, actuaries are among the top paid professionals in finance. To thrive, you need strong mathematical and statistical skills, analytical thinking, problem-solving mindset, good communication, because you'll need to explain your findings. Tech skills, tools like Excel, R, Python are becoming essentials. High respect in the industry, excellent job security, global mobility, and the chance to work on impactful projects, like designing health insurance for millions of people or helping governments prepare for natural disasters. Yes, there are challenges. The exams are rigorous, the work can be mentally demanding, and you'll often be dealing with high-stakes decisions. But if you love problem solving and working with data, you'll find it deeply rewarding. So if you're a student in India with a love for maths and a desire to shape financial futures, becoming an actuarial scientist could be your calling. It's a career that blends logic, creativity, and real-world impact, and the journey you take will be as rewarding as the destination. If this video gave you clarity about the actuarial science career, hit that like button, share it with your friends who are also exploring career options, and subscribe for more in-depth guides like this. And remember, every great career starts with the right first step. Make yours today.